Pendulum and the conservation of energy. Ever wondered how energy moves and transforms? Today, we're building a simple pendulum to uncover the fascinating world of potential and kinetic energy. Grab some string, a washer, and let's watch science come to life, right at home. To try this fun experiment, all you need is a small weight or metal washer, a string 30 to 50 cm long, a sturdy support like a rod or doorway. That's it. Simple tools for mind-blowing discoveries. Tie the washer to one end of your string to form a pendulum. Secure the other end to a fixed point, like above a doorway. Now, pull the pendulum back to a specific height and let it go. You're ready to observe energy in action. As the pendulum swings down, potential energy transforms into kinetic energy. When it rises, kinetic energy goes back to potential energy. Notice how it almost reaches the same height each time? That's the law of conservation of energy at work. Energy can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. Try this yourself and discover how energy moves through the world. Share your results and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting experiments with everyday materials. Let's keep learning.